As someone who is trying to cook more so that I'm not going out as much, not spending as much money in this economy, we're trying to save. So this was actually sent to me for review. I've never had one of these, so really excited to get it out and try it. So this is a vacuum sealer, and you can see here, this is what it looks like. So really, really small. I always thought that they were like really big, so I guess not. So that's cool. I like that this one comes with the bags as well. So you do get some bags in here, but this looks great. And again, just a way that you can make sure that the food that you're keeping in your fridge is fresh and able to last for longer, because that's really going to help out your wallet as well in the long run. So let's get out of the box and see what's inside. So right off the bat, I see that they have bags in here, which is great, because I would hate to like get this and then know that you still have to pay extra to get the bag. So I like that everything is included. So you get a few different, it looks like these might be different sizes. This one looks a little bit bigger, and then you have the smaller kind of a sandwichy bag looking one. So that one is great. And this is it. Like, this is how big it is, which is awesome. I always assumed that they were just really big. So I think that's what intimidated me a little while to get one of these. But yeah, this is tiny. You could even travel with this. It's so small. Okay, so here it is out of the box, and super, super tiny. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Wow, that is super sleek. It almost looks like it could be like a toothbrush holder or like something like that. But yeah, this is really cool. And you have the area here that you can charge it. So you just need a USB-C cable, which is attached or included, which is awesome. And then you also get a manual, which is great as well. Because again, someone like me that's never done this before, this should hopefully walk me through the steps on how to do it. So yeah, it says instructions for use. So each of the bags has like this like little, right here. So you can see here that it has this little suction area, and we're gonna try it because I have a piece of fish that we're gonna try it with. But yeah, this way you can just attach that to this, and then it just vacuums out all the air, which is awesome. So this actually has a 60 kPa suction or vacuum power. So that just means that it's gonna make sure that your items are really, really fresh and suck out all that air that will give you that longevity with your food items. So here's an example of one of the bags. Again, you get two different sizes. So you have 10 by 11 inches and 8 by 10 inches, which is really cool. So here's what the bag looks like. I love that you have this. I didn't expect that. So you have a date on here. So just say that you want to make sure that you put the date of when you bought it so that you know how long it's going to be okay. And then you could also put a note in here. So depending on, you know, something, hey, this is for Friday dinner or whatever. But yeah, this looks really great. So let's try it. I have a piece of fish in the fridge, so let's give it a shot with that. Okay, so my hands are clean. I have my piece of fish right here. So we're going to go ahead and take out the piece of fish. And then what I'm going to do is go ahead and put it in the seal bag. And again, this is a little bit wet, so I'm going to show you a little bit later that there are different options. Okay, so the fish is in there. I'm going to go ahead and wash my hands really quick because I'm dealing with fish. I'm just going to go ahead and seal the top part right here. And then what we're going to do is take our unit. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on, and then I'm going to go ahead and just, and there it goes. You can see what it's doing. It's sucking all that juice out. Okay, and then you do have a few settings. You can actually have an auto setting that stops automatically as soon as it feels like it's good to go, but you also have a manual setting, so you can keep it going if you want it to continue or you want to stop it to make sure that it's not going to mess up what's in the bag. But this looks really good. You can see that it is nice and sealed. I can see all the way around, and then if I wanted to, again, seal it a little bit more, I could just simply do it again. That looks really good. My fish is in there. It is nice and fresh. Again, it is nice and vacuum sealed. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the fridge, and we are good to go to eat it later on. So final thoughts on this. I am super excited to have it. I love how small it is. Like, check out this battery. It is just so small, so you would be able to travel with it. You do get the cord to charge as well. It's very powerful. Again, you can use it with wet or dry. You do have the manual setting or the automatic, so make sure that it will stop automatically when it has sucked out all the air in here. But really, really cool. Really glad to have this. Definitely recommend this one.